Here, company registration is compulsory for every new user. User has to enter their company name and the company code at the time of company registration. Once company has been registered successfully, user has to verify their company by entering company code which is entered at the time of company registration. Here you can see there are two types of user. One is admin user and another one is employee user. Here user has to create admin account first. Once admin account is created successfully, admin user can verify his account by entering email ID and password. Let's start with attendance module first. Here admin user has to add all those branches in which their employees are working. To do this, click on add company branches and then click on plus icon. Here admin user has to fill down all the details displayed over here. Here radius in meter is used for geofencing concept, which I will explain you at the time of employee registration. Once all the details has been filled down, click on the submit button display on top right corner. Admin user can add branch-wise public holidays through add holidays module. Click on add employee module to add or register new employee. Click employee photo, enter employee name, address, date of birth, joining date, gender, marital status, mobile number of employee, designation, currency symbol. Work for branch means the branch in which employee is registered. Selfie photo, notify me means notify admin when any employee mark their attendances. Next is credentials. Using credentials, employee can do login in application and start marking their attendance. Next is time slots. Here admin user can set day wise, full day or half day hours. Make a note that here in the application counts full day or half day hours as a flexible timing. Next is mark attendance from. Here you can see there are two options. One is within geofence and another one is from anywhere. Now if you want that your employee can mark attendance from anywhere in the world, then you can go with from anywhere option. But if you want that your employee can mark attendance within specific branch, then you can go with within geofence option. Here just you have to select the branches within which your employee can mark attendance. Next is mark attendance using. Here you can see there are two options. One is mobile and another one is fingerprint. Here we will talk about only mobile option. Now if you want that your employee can mark attendance only from their mobile phone only, then go with their option. Otherwise go with any one option. Using view employees module, you can see branch wise all registered employees. From here you can edit, call or delete employees. Using assign rights module, you can assign rights to your employees. Here you can see list of rights which you can assign to your employee. Using today present employees module, admin user can see list of present employees along with their timings. Here admin user can also see employees who are on leave or absent. Using calculate salary module, admin can see employees monthly attendance details. From here admin can also calculate salary based on attendances. From here admin can also send a salary slip via WhatsApp or any other options. From here admin can able to change punch in or out timings. Just click on particular day for which you want to change in or out timings. Here you can see two buttons. First one is view in map and another one is edit in or out. Click on edit in or out button. From here you can change in or out timings. If you want to download data, then click on download option. From here you can download data in PDF or Excel format. Now, using live tracking module, you can track current location of your employee. To track location of your employee, what you have to do is you just have to switch status from stop to start. Now here you can see two options. First one is location history and another one is current location. In current location you can see current location of your employee only, but in location history you can see location history of last 7 days. Currently I am logged in with admin user. This is the home screen of admin user. Here you can see list of features like attendance, timesheet, leave management, which are provided by application. Now this is the screen of employee user. Through profile option you can see all the details which you need, like time slots, payment information, mark attendance from, and all. Now I go for mark my attendance. Here I have already done punch in before, hence application show me punch out now option. As you can see, there are two geofences are mapped against my account. So I am allowed to mark attendance only inside these geofences.